Hello students, today we are going to cover chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is Polynomial of grade 10 CBSE. In this chapter you can see what are the topics which we are going to cover according to the new syllabus. So I think everybody knows in new syllabus we have to learn what is the meaning of the zeros of a polynomial and what is the geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial and the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. This is the syllabus of grade 10 CBSE for the academic year 2023 and 24. Yes, and along with this topics I will cover the introduction part. So first topic is introduction of the topic actually. So first of all, we have already learned about the polynomial in grade 9 also. So what is the meaning of the polynomial? The nth degree polynomial in one variable is given as in its standard form as, so px is equals to a naught x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1, a2 x to the power n minus 2, a3 x to the power n minus 3 dash 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 dash, and here you can see we can write an x to the power 0. Yes, so here you can see if I am talking about x, so x is called the variable. Yes, so here we are writing the polynomial in terms of x. Yes, so x is the variable, and here all these a naught, a1, a2, a3, yeah, these are called coefficient of x, coefficients of x. Yes, these coefficients of different powers of x can be real actually. It can be a rational number also, it can be a irrational number also. Here you can see n is called the exponent. Yes, exponent, and this exponent should be always non-negative integers. This exponent should be always non-negative integers. So we can say that any algebraic expression is called the polynomial when these coefficients are real and this exponent should be non-negative integer. I want to give you an example. Here you can see, suppose I am writing 3x square minus 5x plus 7. So here you can see if I am writing this polynomial which is given in terms of x. Yes, x is the variable here. So here the power of x is continuously decreasing. In the first term it is 2, in the second term it is 1, you can see, and in the last term it is 0. Yes, similarly we can write suppose any polynomial like py is equals to what, y cube minus y square plus minus 3y plus 7. So you can see this is also a polynomial in terms of y. Yes, suppose I am writing like that pz, any polynomial in terms of z square minus 1 by z plus 7. So here you can see actually this is not the polynomial. Why? Because if I will write in this form z minus 1 plus 7, we can also write like that. So this minus 1 is what, a negative number, and this exponent should be always a non-negative integer, so it is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial, keep in mind. As well as I want to give you a few more examples. Suppose I am writing pa is equals to a square plus root a plus 7. Here you can see if I am writing like that, so that we can also write like that, a square plus a whole power 1 by 2 plus 7. So here you can see the exponent is again fraction. Yeah, this is what, fraction. So if exponent is not non-negative integer, it means we can say that it is not a polynomial. So it is also not a polynomial. Yes. Suppose any polynomial I am writing in terms of k, p of k. The polynomial can be in terms of a also, k also, y also, x also, z also. In terms of any letter it can be. Yes. Suppose I am writing in terms of k. So k plus root 2k plus 7. So some students are thinking this is also not a polynomial because here root 2 is given. Actually here root 2 is what? Root 2 is a coefficient of k. So these coefficients can be rational also, irrational also. So this will be a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. No need to confuse because I already told you this coefficient should be real. Got it? So that is the introduction part of the polynomial. So how to identify, now things are clear to you. And the second thing is which we want to cover in the introduction, that is called the degree actually. The degree means what? The highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable defines the degree of the polynomial. Defines the degree of the polynomial. Got my point? Yes. So here you can see, suppose I am writing an example 3x cube plus 7x square plus 8. So here if you are observing here, so you can see in this observation you can see that here the power of x is what? 3. So in this case the degree will be 3 because the highest power of the variable should be define the degree. Yes, so degree will be 3. Suppose I am writing any expression like that 3, 13 x to the power 8 plus 9x square plus 4. So here you can see the highest power of the variable is here 8. So degree is what? 8. So highest power of the variable present in the given polynomial is defines the degree. So here degree will be, yes, 8. What my point? So this is called the degree. And here you can see in the introduction part, and all these things we have already learned in grade 9, but still I want to cover in introduction part and classification. Yes, classification of polynomial. Yes. So classification of polynomial means actually polynomial is divided into different parts as per the degree. Yes, according to the degree. So you know that it is called linear. A polynomial is called linear when degree is 1. When the degree of a polynomial is 1, degree of a polynomial is 1. So it is called linear. Suppose the example is x plus 3. Yeah, this is a linear polynomial. Suppose I am writing y plus 2. This is also a linear polynomial. Similarly, quadratic. So degree of a quadratic polynomial is what? 2. Suppose I am writing like that x square plus 5x plus 7. So this is a quadratic polynomial and degree of the quadratic polynomial is what? 2. Yes. Suppose I am writing any polynomial like that k square plus 3k plus 2. So here this is also called the quadratic polynomial. Now you can see, suppose we can see the cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial means what? The degree should be 3. So if degree is 3, it means the power of the variable present in the polynomial is 3. Then it is called cubic polynomial. You can see 2x plus 4. So this is the example. Yes. You can see another example, a cube plus a square minus 2a plus 7. So in that way we can classify different polynomials. Yes. So in this chapter we will more focus on quadratic polynomial, as well as we will discuss uh, about the cubic polynomial also. Thank you.